I'm two-way right here.
Wait, you're gonna want to turn on the dampers though, or that thing will shatter your arm.
All right, where's the dampers?
That one.
Great choice. Would you like me to set this as your new default? No.
Push that in.
Right here.
No, there.
This one right here?
Yeah, push it.
What was that?
Taser webs.
Taser webs? I don't want taser webs.
You seem to be very unfamiliar with your web shooter settings. Would you like to run a refresher course?
No, just you choose.
Sure thing.
6 Alpha Niner, are you running on time?
Copy, Central. 6 Alpha Niner, on schedule.
I got a visual.
Green light, green light.
Oh, that's him.
Okay, I got eyes on the convoy. Pulling in behind the caboose. Deploy anchors. Dropping down.
No outgoing distress signals, you're all clear.
Hey, looks like they got some good stuff here.
Oh, cool. It's like some kind of matter phase shifter.
All right, coming up.
Hey, Big Bird! This doesn't belong to you! Oh, God. Show lady, what was that?
You told me to choose.
What? No, just set everything back to normal!
Activating all systems.